Hi there, my name's Stuart and I'm from Blacks, and today I'm here to show you how to do a field repair on an air beam. So you've come back to your tent and you've realised one of your air beams is deflated. What you can do is check your valve and also check the tensioning video. Once you've established that it's not that, you may have to check for a puncture. You can do this while it's still in the sleeve inside the tent, but for ease I've taken it out to show you. So what I'm going to do is locate the puncture, and you can do this in a couple of ways. By feeling it, by putting some more air through it, or with a small amount of water to see any bubbles. So every Berghaus air tent comes with a standard repair kit, and this has sticky patches on it to make sure it can lock down and repair an air beam. So now what I'm going to do is take the puncture repair patch, peel it through, straighten it out and pop it directly over the hole that's been made. If you keep your hands and add pressure just for a couple of minutes to make sure you get a tight seal around the hole. Once you've let the patch set, a good rule of thumb and good practice would be to pump the beam up slightly to 2 psi and make sure it holds, then to its full 4.5 psi. As you can see, the beam's holding, so it's time to then zip it back up. So now what I'm going to do is pop it back into the sleeve. And if you want to see a video of how to do that, check out the link. So if you found that useful, please check out some of our how-to videos. Thanks for watching, guys.